Welcome to the project demonstration of environmental parameters monitoring system through the Zigbee wireless communication. So in this project we are monitoring the different kinds of environmental parameters like smoke, and from this sensor we are going to monitor the gas and fire sensor, and using LM35 we are going to get the temperature of the surrounding parameters, ambient temperature. So these four sensors interface to the Atmega 328P microcontroller, and the respective pins are, so here the smoke sensor is interfaced at the 8th pin of the GPIO pin, and gas sensor interface at 9th pin, and 10th pin is directly to the flame sensor, and LM35 is interfaced at A0 pin of Atmega 328P. And from here directly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply, and this is the breadboard. So in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply to the different modules along with the microcontroller, we are using this breadboard. And from here, like as we said that, so we are distributing the 5 volts power supply to the flame sensor, smoke, gas, and this is a Zigbee wireless communication purpose, and LM35 as well. And this is the Zigbee receiver. We are interfaced that to USB to TTL converter, and from this Zigbee transmitter and the receiver, the data will be monitored on the laptop by connecting this to the USB TTL. So before connecting this, we need to install one application. We'll show you the application name and how to get this communication number, and how to open the data into the laptop. And coming to this board, so as we know that, so we are providing 5 volts power supply at this point, and this is a capacitor to make the, is there any voltage fluctuations, it will neutralize them. And this is the reset switch for the microcontroller, and this power LED indication, that's program LED indication. When we switch on this kit, this light will blink 2 times, and the reset switch which has the 10 kilo ohm of pull up resistor, and the Atmega 328 controller needs 60 megahertz of crystal oscillator. So this is the main connection, and the Zigbee interface at 0 and 1. This is the hardware serial monitoring pins of the serial pins of Atmega 328P. So let us see the demonstration. So before switching on this kit, as we said that we need to install applications inside the laptop. Let us see the connections. So the application we need to install in the laptop is, so the USB to TTL converter we are using is CP210XX. Just Google this, and from the Scilabs, so just download the driver and install it. So after installation, then connect this to your laptop. After installation, connect this, and in my PC, go to manage. So in the manage, we can see the communication port number. From there we can connect to the Zigbee. So go to device manager, and here we can see the ports. So here we can see the Silicon Labs CP210X. So the communication number is 20, and make a note of this communication number, and go to the Arduino Studio. Then ports, you can see the same communication number of 20 and connect to that. After connecting, you can see the connected COM number, and then go to serial monitor, and the serial monitor will be open up, and then switch on the kit. So once you give the power supply to the kit, you will get the start message, and directly the data will be streaming continuously to the serial monitor. We can see that. Okay, start and temperature, smoke, gas, fire. So this continuously the 4 data will be streaming to the terminal software. So let us see that whenever we provide the gas inputs, the gas sensor, gas inputs, so you can see the gas status on the screen. The gas is detected. Okay, so if initially the smoke also is detected, wait for some time so that the sensor will get the stabilized. Means inside the sensor we have the heaters, So then initially it will get the heat up and it will be stabilized after some time. So as we said that after some time automatically the smoke got initialized to normal level. So initially it is detected and now it is stabilized. Then we can give the input of again gas. This is very important. We need to wait for the sensors should be stabilized. Now we can see that gas detected as I am providing the gas input to the system. Okay, and now so we will place the smoke. So once I provide the smoke input, so you can see it is showing continuously smoke is detected whenever the smoke is input given. So now if there is no smoke sensor, again you can check that the smoke data is normal. Okay, so once continuously 10 to 15 readings of normal readings from these sensors, then give the input of the smoke or gas to the sensors. And coming to the fire, so once the fire is detected, so there will be light indication on the fire sensor and the same status as usually. So we will get right fire detected. And coming to the temperature also, we can increase that. Now I'm heating up the sensor, temperature sensor, it increased. Okay, so in this manner from the wireless communication we can monitor the 4 different sensors data through the Zigbee using Atmega 328P microcontroller.